Morning traders, Nick Master from Market T. Lucid and bringing you one daily market bias video for Wednesday, June 15th. It's approximately 4:25 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly to the upside with the exception of the Singapore Exchange, which traded down fractionally. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, Europe is open and trading. All of Europe is trading to the upside. Now we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. US dollar is trading lower. It's been trading lower pretty much all morning long. And energies in terms of crude is also trading lower. There is no correlation between the US dollar and crude as it is broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading lower. And the indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a higher open. Metals in terms of gold is trading down. Now we're going to take a look at economic news we have on the docket today for the U.S. markets. We have quite a bit. In fact, you could say we have a virtual tsunami, if you will, of economic news. At 8:30 we have PPI, core PPI, Empire State Manufacturing Index. These are all major improving market movers. At 9:15 we have capacity utilization and industrial production. These are not necessarily considered to be major. At 10:30 a.m. we have the crude oil inventories, which is typical, usual, and customary for Wednesday. But the news of the day, and the big news of the day, is at 2 p.m. Because we have the FOMC statement, and we also find out of whether or not the Fed is going to be raising the federal funds rate. In addition to that, at 2:30 a.m. they are going to be holding a press conference, which means something major is afoot. We don't know what that is yet, but something major is at hand, if you will. So we really don't know what they're going to be doing. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And for those of you who have been around us for any period of time, you know one thing. At FOMC Day, we always maintain a neutral bias. Why? Because the markets have never shown any sense of normalcy on a day like today. Hence, our bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. Basically, it's one of those days where you might want to consider sitting it out. But if you feel compelled to trade, I would definitely do it prior to the meeting. Because after the meeting comes out, or after the results of that meeting comes out, anything can happen in this market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.